Hi guys, it's Hi-Fi Trainer. In this video, we're going to learn some HTML tags and a special tag at the end of this video. Before we go into the tags, let's write the default HTML structure. So it starts off with doc type HTML, and then HTML, and then head tag, and then we have to close the head tag, then open the body tag, and then close the body tag, and then close the HTML tag. So let's start off with the quotation tag or the Q tag. The quotation tag is used to quote small pieces of text from other sources. So let's see how we use the quotation tag. So let's go online and let's search up like Abdul Kalam quotes, and we get to this page, and let's see this quote in action. So let's use that quote. So let's open the paragraph tag and write one of Abdul Kalam's quote is, and let's open the quotation tag and let's paste whatever we copied, and then let's close the quotation tag and then close the paragraph tag. Then let's save it and then run it. So this is what we got. From when we open the quotation tag, it has a quote over there, and when we close the quotation tag, it also has another quote over there. So that's it for the quotation tag, and now let's see the block quote tag. So block quote tag is used to quote a large passage or source from other people. So let's see an example. So let's type essay, for example, or let's go into Wikipedia and copy all this, which is like large pieces of text. Let's take all this off and let's open the block quote tag, or you can just type it in like right there, but what I would prefer is to go to another line code so you can make your code more neat and easy to read. And then let's close the block code tag. Now let's save it and then run it, and we get all this. And if you want to see the difference of this and normal text, let's also include a p tag, and then let's type in block quote tag example, and then let's close the p tag, save it, and then run it. And as you can see from here, if you think it's like a normal tag or if it's a quote tag, it should just continue from here all the way like here, but it went to a new line. So that's what a block quote tag is. And now let's see some other tags. So now let's go into the ABBR tag. The ABBR tag is literally what its name. It means abbreviation. So let's see an example. So let's open the p tag or any text tags, and let's write the. Then let's open the ABBR tag and then write title is equal to, and then quotation marks. In the quotation marks you write any abbreviation you know, like World Health Organization, and then close it because we open the ABBR here, and then write WHO is its abbreviation. The World starts with W, Health starts with H, and organization starts with O. And then close the ABBR tag, and then close the P tag. Then save it, and then run it, and you get it like the WHO, but then when you highlight it, it comes as World Health Organization. Let's make something sensible out of it. Is an example I chose. Save it again, or let's put an exclamation and save it, and run it. The World Health Organization is an example I chose. That's it for the abbreviation tag, and now let's see some other tags. Now let's see the comment tag. The comment tag won't affect any of your results on your actual web page, but it just makes your code more readable and understandable. So this is how the comment tag looks like. As you can see, there's green things over there. It's in green color. Let's write HTML, and then let's close it. So now what we're saying in the comment is HTML. So let's open the P tag. Let's write HTML means hypertext markup language, and let's close it. And then in the comment tag, let's write tells about HTML. So this is how your comment tag is, and I'll just show you that there won't be any. So here HTML means hypertext markup language, but I wrote in the comment tag I wrote tells about HTML, but it doesn't appear in the actual page. So that's the comment tag, and now let's see another tag. Now let's look at the video tag. The video tag changes the direction of your text. So let's look at it. So let's open a P tag, and then open the video tag, and then type dir, which means direction, is equal to RTL, which means right. So it is telling your code to start your text from the right. And then let's say this text will go from right to left. So that's our text. And then let's close the BDO tag, and then close the P tag. So now let's save it, and then run it. And then this is how our text is displaying. From the right it says THIS, this, TEXT, text, WILL, will, GO, go, and so on. Now let's look at an animation tag called Marquee tag. So in Marquee tag, you can scroll text around the page from the right to the left. So this is how it works. So let's write Marquee, or actually let's write H1 tag so it looks big, and then Marquee. Let's write please subscribe to my channel, and then close the Marquee tag, and then close the H1 tag. Let's save it and then run it, and this is how it appears. If you like my video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.